Good morning. We are here in Aladdin Turkish restaurant. We choose to come early in the morning so we can have Turkish breakfast. So we order some Turkish varieties food because it's famous for the Turkish. So we're gonna start with that. Then we will tell you how's the food breakfast in this restaurant. Eat with us. Okay, this is the sujuk with the eggs. I'm gonna try that. And then this is green olives, honey, butter, jam, Nutella.
Was it for a year or him?
For him.
And then do you use sugar with the tea or?
Yes. And then we need some Nutella, black olives, some kind of sauce. You eat it with the, it's not the sauce, but it's like a jam. So you eat it with the bread. And these are the Turkish salami and mixed cheese. So we're gonna try to see how's it. So let me try this first. And this is a special, like a hot dog, but it's a Turkish. That's called sujuk. So let's try to see. Okay, these are the mixed cheese. They brought it for us. So it was in the dish right there. So I take some of each to test to see how's the test. So these is a regular one. I think in America everybody they taste this before. Is a mozzarella. Same as this. We're gonna try this cheese. Salty. And this is lamb cheese. This is tastes good with the bread. If you love the cheese, this is the cheese you love. Put it on your bread and eat it. Oh my god, very very strong. This is a Turkish coffee. If you wanna stay at home all day long, so this is the coffee you drink. Okay. Turkish bread ekmek. We go to the Christmas. This is the sauce. It's like a syrup from the grape. Okay, this is called tahini. Sesame, if you love sesame, which is whole Middle East, they eat that for breakfast. Okay, this is called pastırma. Made with the beef. It tastes like those dry meat called jerky. It tastes like that. This is the salami. Tastes like a regular salami. Okay, time to try the hot dog. Let's see. Yummy in my tummy. Tastes good. I'm gonna eat it later. So let's try this cheese roll too. I'm gonna cut it so you can see. Wow, this is super delicious. Super delicious. Okay, in traditional in Turkey or Persian, they drink the coffee, then they put the custard top of it with lamp lemons. You leave it like this. Time for a boiled egg. Okay, we ate our breakfast in here. We come very early at 7 o'clock. The breakfast starts from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. So we ate our breakfast and we come here and shop some grocery. They have the grocery store too, so you can buy some stuff from here too. So grocery store is included to the restaurant. Like once when you enter in the restaurant, you're gonna see the grocery store, then you're gonna go inside to the restaurant. So the menu for a breakfast is 7 to 12. Is very delicious breakfast. And they have after 12 o'clock they serve lunch and dinner. The place name called Aladdin, and all the product 99% of from the Turkey style. See you guys.